Hi friends, I am Rishi. Welcome to my YouTube channel Rishi Learns Tech. Today I would like to discuss a topic called coding. So what is coding? Have you ever thought of how these machines are working? Like our phone is working independently, laptop or computer is working independently, how these things are working independently. So coding is something which is working behind the scenes. So first of all I would like to say what is a machine. So machines are something human made which we have made it for making our tasks easier. So now what is coding? So codings are actually instructions. So if you are able to give some instructions to this machine can work independently. That is what is happening. So coding is actually just instructions. So now you will be thinking how we can code, right? Yes, how we can give instructions to a machine. We are communicating using languages, right? We have now I am using English as my language to communicate with you, right? Like that, if we need to communicate with a machine, we have something called programming languages. So these programming languages are also so categorized because in different use case we use different programming language. We cannot use one programming language for handling different tasks. For solving different problems, we use different programming languages. For example, I would like to say we are using websites in our everyday life, like Google is a website, Amazon, Flipkart, many websites are there. So to build these kind of websites, we we are using one language called HTML. We are also using applications, right? So in our phones there are a lot of applications. So for building these kind of applications, we are using some programming languages called Java, Kotlin, Dart, etc. So if you are a person who is a starter or really interested in coding, then you can go with some language called Python. So Python is a very simple language which is very similar to English, so that you can learn it very fast. So using Python you can start your journey in coding, and later you can just start with Python, C or Java. I will say these three languages, and after that if you get into an intermediate level you can choose your domain, and then you can follow what is required for that. These are the things that I would like to say in our language. So coding is actually just instructions, and for providing these instructions to machine we are using programming languages. So if you really enjoyed watching this video, consider hitting that like button and share your thoughts as comments. So until we see next time, till then, bye.